the thing I very often hear from people is they want to work with a big team so that they have a senior person that can help them when they have questions. I'm gonna be straight up. Most of the senior designers I know, unless it's specifically been set up that there is like a mentorship level within that organization, apart from design reviews, you're generally kind of on your own, and you are expected as a designer to be able to problem solve without basically having a teacher kind of being like, yeah, you're doing it right, or like, no, you're doing it wrong, because they're probably not going to hire you unless it's internship level at that phase. Like, in fact, I would say it's a sham. Like, that's why I always say be very careful of internships, because internships is a place where that level of mentorship should be happening, because that's what you get for lower pay. You get increased mentorship. So the beauty of doing the freelance work and becoming a little more self-sufficient, the best part is that when you land that role, it's gonna really help with the imposter syndrome, because you know you can do it. Like, yeah, like the mentorship is great, the support is great, and you're gonna learn so much from the senior members of your organization, but you also know that like you can do your job, and that's a really good feeling.
Yeah, that's a great point. I've definitely had that same idea when I first started searching for a job, like, oh, I want to go somewhere with a large team with senior designers so I can learn from them and they can mentor me and help me grow. But what I found was like when I had worked around senior designers, they are actually super busy. They're focused on their own stuff. They want you to like get your shit done and help them out and make sure that we're all running as quickly as possible, because we don't have time to just sit there and watch you and help you out with every single nuance of the day. You really have to be self-sufficient. And that's what I'm looking for when I'm hiring junior to mid-level designers, is someone who is really self-sufficient and makes my life easier.